Hi friends, really quick video today. I just saw a comment from Jan in the group and she was wondering about how I tied my scarf in a certain photo, and she was also wondering about where that scarf came from. The actual scarf is from my Table Loom course and it's woven with a bamboo and it's an undulating twill. It's really beautiful. It's a little bit heavier and a little bit wider than the scarf that I'm going to use today, but you'll be able to see the same principle. So to tie the scarf in that way, let's see, maybe you can have a look for that post here if you're not sure what I'm talking about. But this scarf is a similar length to that one. This is the Galaxy scarf, a lot lighter than the bamboo scarf, but similar length. So that's what you need, is you kind of need enough length to be able to tie the scarf like that. So I've got the scarf doubled up. Bit hard to see at the bottom, but there we go, doubled in half. And then I'm going to grab that loop and preserve that loop and pop it around my neck, and I'm trying to keep my ends at fairly equal, at the same length. So I've still got my hand in that loop, and then I'm going to drop the outer part of the scarf on this side and pick up the inner part, and that's going to go through that loop just like that. And then I'm going to grab that outside part, but I'm going to take it over the loop and back through from the opposite side. So you can see this black part here came through from this side. This time I'm coming through from this side. Pull that through, and then you can reorganize it however you like. You can tighten it up, like put it right up near your neck if you like it like that, or if you like a looser style, you can loosen it off and have it sitting a bit further down. And then you can also fiddle around with the two ends. If they're not quite equal, you can make them equal. So that is how you tie that scarf, and I hope that was helpful. Bye.